Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a Lora for LTX 2.3 that can help us remove unwanted objects from our videos. It's called Obscura Remova. In this quick video, let's take a look at the Lora in action. The download link for the Lora is available in the description. Open that link and you will see a page like this. On this page, you can see a lot of examples of the Lora and some prompt examples to show you what the prompt should look like. Well, the Lora is not made for the selective removal of objects, but instead, it's for removing objects that are blocking the main scene. For example, objects like a window, a fence, tree branches and leaves, or smoke that is hiding the scene. In certain cases, it does remove objects that you put in the prompt, and in some cases, you need to use a higher Lora strength to remove the unwanted objects. So, to download the Lora, let's scroll up and click on Files and Versions. This is the Lora we need to download, which is named LTX 2.3 Obscura Remova v1.safetensors. Use the download button to download the Lora and put it inside the Lora's folder of ComfyUI. Now, let's switch to ComfyUI and start using the Lora. I have already set up the workflow here, which you can download from the description. As always, this workflow shares similarities with my other LTX 2.3 workflows, so let's focus only on the major parts. Let's zoom in right here. I have added the Load Lora node for loading LTX 2.3 Obscura Remova v1, and I am using a strength value of 2.3. Depending on your video, you can lower the Lora strength. Now, let's focus on the prompt. The video I'm working on right now has a wooden fence blocking the view of the house. So, I wrote, remove the wooden fence from the foreground, showing the house in the back. Because the model can sometimes hallucinate, it is important to describe exactly what you want to see after the object is removed. As you can see in the original video, the wooden fence is hiding the view of the house. When you are testing these Loras, for faster testing, I highly suggest using a length of 9 frames, which will save you a lot of time. Anyway, for this run, I am putting the frame count around 81, or actually, let's write 121. In this workflow, I have also added a switch to use the loaded video's audio in the generated video output. If you want to keep the original audio, simply turn this switch to true. Next, I have a node called Easy Seed from the ComfyUI Easy Use Custom Node Pack for generating a random seed. To save the previous seed values, we will be using the seed logger from the ComfyUI Inspire Pack. This is really helpful when a specific seed works well, so we can easily reuse it. I have already done a generation, and you can see that the fence is removed. Let's run the generation again. The generation is complete. Now let's take a look at the result. As you can see here, the wooden fence has been removed from the video. The tree on the right also got replaced with another tree, but overall, it's a good result. I won't waste any more of your time here. In my opinion, the Lora is useful in many cases, but it would be much better if it could help us remove objects selectively. The Lora did struggle in certain cases, so it's not perfect, but I really appreciate the developer for building this. So guys, try the Lora out for yourself and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.